When sewing, we finish edges so that our fabric doesn't fray. Depending on the fabric and what you're making, you can choose different ways to do this. 3 simple methods are a zigzag stitch, a serged edge, and stitching and pinking the edge. In this video, we'll briefly go over all 3. A zigzag stitch is great for medium to heavyweight fabrics or for when you don't have access to a serger. To finish your edge this way, choose a zigzag stitch on your machine and stitch close to the edge. A serged edge is a great, fast way to finish an edge. It's great for most light to heavy fabrics, and it's extremely secure, so if you have access to a serger, use it. To finish your edge this way, simply serge your fabric, being careful not to cut off too much of the seam allowance. A stitched and pinked edge is simple and works great for heavyweight or tightly woven fabrics. First, stitch at regulation length 1/4 inch away from the edge. Then, simply use pinking shears and cut close to the edge to reduce fraying.